So friends, first of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to cover 20 important questions on the topic called Surds and Indices. So friends, my advice is before watching this video, so kindly go to my website and write the test initially on the topic Surds and Indices, so that after writing the test you can analyze what are all the mistakes you have done by watching this video, right? So friends, let me move on to all the 20 questions on the topic called Surds and Indices. Question number 1. So 8 power 16 into 8 power 3 into 8 power 4 division 8 power 14 is equals to 2 power question mark. So friends, our target to convert the left hand side expressions in terms of 2 power something, right? Why? Because we need to find 2 power question mark. So friends, let me do one thing. Either we can convert this 8 as 2 cube, or otherwise at the final stage we can convert this expression 8 in terms of 2, right? So friends, here 8 power 16 plus 3 plus 4, right? Because a power m into a power n will be a power m plus n. So 16 plus 3 plus 4 and a minus of 14 is equals to 2 power question mark. So this can be written as 16 plus 4 will be 20, 20 plus 3 will be 23. So 23 minus 14 is equals to 2 power question mark. So 23 minus 14 will be 9 is equals to 2 power question mark. So friends, our target to convert this 8 in terms of 2, right? So this 8 can be written as 2 cube whole power 9 is equals to 2 power question mark. So 9 into 3 will be 27. So 2 power 27 is equal to 2 power question mark. So finally we can say that the answer for first question will be 27. So friends, either you can convert this 8 power 16 directly, right? Some students will initially write this as 2 cube power 16. Either you can go for this method, or otherwise keep the expression as it is and finally convert the expression in terms of 2. So finally we got the answer for question number 1, that is 27. Question number 2. So 32 power 4 division 128 power 9 into 64 power 12 is equal to 2 power question mark. So friends, we need to convert all the left hand side expression in terms of 2 power, right? So I think 32 can be written as 2 power 5, right? So 2 power 5 will be 32 and power 4 divided by, I think 2 power 6 will be 64. So this will be 2 power 7, right? 2 power 7 into 9. So finally this can be written as 2 power 6 will be 64 into 12 is equals to 2 power question mark. So friends, this can be written as 2 power 5 into 4 will be 20. So division, so 9 into 7 will be 63. So into 2 power, this will be 72. So friends, first of all we know that a power m division a power n will be a power m minus n. So this can be written as 2 power 20 minus 63 plus 72 is equals to 2 power question mark. So finally this can be written as either you can add both the numbers, then you can subtract this, right? Or otherwise you can directly subtract this. Minus 63 plus 72. Friends, listen here, don't make mistake here, right? So minus 63 plus 72, the resultant will be 9. So 20 plus 9. So finally we can say that answer will be 29 is equal to 2 power question mark. So finally we got an answer, that is question mark is equal to 29. Question number 3. So 8 power 7 into 2 power 6 division 8 power 2.4 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, I think we need to convert this left hand side expression in terms of 8 power something. So only target is we need to convert this 2 power 6 in terms of 8, right? So this can be written as 8 power 7. So friends, 2 power 6 can be written as 2 cube whole square division 8 power 2.4 is equals to 8 power question mark. So 8 power 7, so 2 cube will be 8. So 8 square division 8 power 2.4 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, finally I have converted the left hand side expression in terms of 8 power something, right? So a power m into a power n will be a power m plus n, and we already know that a power m division a power n will be a power m minus n. So finally this can be done as 8 power 7 plus 2 minus 2.4 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, 2 minus 2.4 will be 0.4, right? So finally we can say that 7 minus 0.4 is equals to 8 power question mark. So 7 minus 0.4 will be 6.6. So finally we can say that answer for question number 3, that is 6.6. Question number 4. So 2 power 0.2 into 64 into 8 power 1.3 into 4 power 0.2 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, we need to convert the complete expression in terms of 8 power something, right? So I think this 64 can be written as 8 square, right? Similarly here it is 8 power 1.3 and the remaining numbers are 2 power 0.2 into 4 power 0.2 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, this expression looks like a power m into b power m. So this can be done as a into b power m, right, where the powers are same. If the powers are same and the denominator values are different, so we need to multiply this, a into b power m. So this can be done as 8 square into 8 power 1.3. So friends, 4 into 2 resultant will be 8, but the power is same, right, 0.2 0.2. So finally this can be done as 8 power 0.2. So friends, 4 into 2, that is a into b, so 4 into 2 will be 8 and the power will be 0.2 is equals to 8 power question mark. So finally this can be done as 8 power 2 plus 1.3 plus 0.2 is equals to 8 power question mark. So friends, 2 plus 0.2 plus 1.3 will be 3.5, because 2 plus 1.3 will be 3.3, 3.3 plus 0.2 will be 3.5. So finally we can say that 8 power 3.5 is equal to 8 power question mark. So finally we got the answer for question number 4, that is 3.5. Question number 5. So 80 into 0.40 power 3 is equals to 2 power x division 4 power 9. So friends, 80 into 0.40 will be 32 power 3, right? If you are a beginner, kindly write this as 80 into 40 in order to remove the decimal point divided by 100. So power 3 is equals to 2 power x division. So this 4 can be written as 2 square power 9. So friends, if you are a beginner, kindly write this, or otherwise we can directly say as 80 into 0.40 will be 32, right? So we can cancel 0 0. So 8 4s are 32. So 32 power 3 is equals to 2 power x division. So 9 into 2 will be 18, that is 2 power 18. So friends, this can be done as 2 power 5 power 3 is equals to 2 power x division 2 power 18. So 5 into 3 will be 15. So 2 power 15 is equals to 2 power x division 2 power 18. So this can be done as 2 power 15 is equal to a power m division a power n will be a power m minus n, that is 8 minus, that is x minus 18. So finally this can be written as 15 is equals to x minus 18. So we can cancel 2 and 2. So finally we can say this as 15 is equal to x minus 18. So x is equal to 15 plus 18. So x is equal to 33. So friends, finally we got the answer for question number 5, that is 33. Question number 6. So 80 into 0.40 power 3. So friends, our target to find what is 2 power x plus 7. So I think we need to convert all the expression in terms of 2 power something, right? So 80 into 0.40 can be written as 32 power 3. So 40 into 1.6 will be 64 power 3. So this will be 128 power 3 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So friends, 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So power 3 division 64 will be 2 power 6 power 3 into this will be 2 power 7 power 3 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So friends, 5 into 3 will be 15, right? So 2 power 15 division 2 power 18, 6 into 3 will be 18. So 7 into 3 will be 21 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So friends, here it is a power m division a power n. This will be a power m minus n, right? So finally this can be written as 2 power 15 minus 18. So plus 21 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So friends, here it is minus 18 plus 21, the resultant will be plus 3. So this can be written as 2 power 15 plus 3 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So friends, listen here friends, kindly don't make a mistake, or otherwise add 15 plus 21 then subtract with 18, or otherwise minus 18 plus 21, the resultant will be plus 3. So 15 plus 3 will be 18. So 2 power 18 is equals to 2 power x plus 7. So finally we can say that 18 is equal to x plus 7. So x is equal to 18 minus 7. So x is equal to 11. So friends, finally we got answer 11, that is for question number 6. Question number 7. So 0.81 square division 0.729 power cube into 0.9 square is equal to 0.9 question mark minus 3. So friends, here the question mark in terms of 0.9. So we need to convert all the expression in terms of 0.9, right? So this can be written as 0.9 square, because 0.9 square will be 0.81. So power 2 division, so this can be done as 0.9 cube, right? We know that 9 cube will be 729. So power 3 into 0.9 whole square is equals to 0.9 question mark minus 3. So friends, 2 into 2 will be 4. So 0.9 power 4 division, so 3 into 3 will be 9. So 0.9 power 9 into 0.9 power 2 is equals to 0.9 question mark minus 3. So friends, here it is a power m division a power n. So 4 minus 9, the resultant will be 0.9, or otherwise either we can write this 4 minus 9 and here it is plus 2 is equals to 0.9. So question mark minus 3. So friends, 4 plus 2 will be 6. 6 minus 9 will be minus 3. So 0.9 power minus 3 is equals to 0.9 power question mark minus 3. So finally we can cancel 0.9, 0.9. So we got minus 3 is equal to question mark minus 3. So question mark is equal to minus 3 plus 3. So finally we got question mark is equal to 0. So friends, finally we got an answer 0 for question number 7. Question number 8. So 0.64 power 4 division 0.512 power 3. So friends, our target to convert all the complete expression in terms of 0.8, right? So I think this can be written as 0.8 square power 4 division, so 0.8 cube power 3 into 0.8 power 4 is equals to 0.8 into x plus 3. So friends, I think 4 into 2 will be 8, right? 0.8 power 8, so division, so 3 into 3 will be 9, 0.8 power 9, so 0.8 power 4 is equals to 0.8 power x plus 3. So friends, here it is similar to the previous question, right? So this can be done as 0.8 power 8 minus 9 plus 4 is equals to 0.8 power x plus 3. So friends, 8 plus 4 will be 12, right? So 12 minus 9, the resultant will be 3. So 0.8 power 3 is equals to 0.8 power x plus 3. So we can cancel 0.8, 0.8. So finally this can be written as 3 is equal to x plus 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 3. So finally we got an answer, x is equal to 0. That is for question number 8. Question number 9. So 0.49 power 4. So friends, our target to convert all the expression in terms of, listen here friends, here it is 70 divided by 100. I think this can be done as 0.7 power x plus 3. So finally we need to convert all the left hand side expression in terms of 0.7, right? So I think 0.49 can be written as 0.7 square, right? So 0.7 square whole power 4. So 0.7 cube whole power 4 division, I think 0.2401 will be 0.7 the whole power 4, right? So 0.7 whole power 4, right? We know that 7 power 4 will be 2401, friends. So this can be done as 0.7 power 4 and whole power 4, right? So I think this will be 2 into 4 will be 8. So 0.7 power 8 into 4 into 3 will be 12, 0.7 into 12, so 4 into 4 will be 16, 0.7 power 16 is equals to 0.7 power x plus 3. So friends, here it is 0.7, so 8, and here it is plus 12, so minus of 16 is equals to 0.7 power x plus 3. So finally this can be written as 8 plus 12 will be 20, 20 minus 60 will be 4. So 0.7 power 4 is equals to 0.7 power x plus 3. So finally we can say this as 4 is equal to x plus 3. So x is equal to 4 minus 3. So finally we got x is equal to 1. So friends, finally we got the answer, that is x is equal to 1 for question number 9. Question number 10. So 6 power 3.6 division 36 power minus 4.2. So power 1 by 4 is equals to root of question mark. So friends, listen here friends. So this can be written as 6 power 3.6 as it is, and we know that 36 can be written as 6 square. So 6 square, so power minus 4.2. So here it is 1 divided by 4 is equals to root of question mark. So 6 power 3.6 division. So friends, 2 into 4.2 will be 8.4, right? So this can be written as 6 power minus 8.4. So power 1 by 4 is equals to root of question mark. So friends, a power m division a power n will be a power m minus n. So this can be written as 6 power 3.6 minus of, here it is minus 8.4. So completely here it is 1 divided by 4. So friends, here it is root of question mark. So this can be done as question mark power 1 by 2, right? So I think this can be done as 6 power 3.6. So minus into minus will be plus 8.4. So power 1 by 4 is equals to question mark power 1 by 2. So 8.4 plus 3.6, the resultant will be 6 power 12. So 6 power 12. So here it is 1 by 4 is equals to, here it is question mark power 1 by 2. So finally I think we can cancel this 3 times. So 6 power 3 is equals to question mark power 1 by 2. So 6 power 3, so when we bring this 1 by 2 towards left hand side, it will be square, right, is equal to question mark. So 3 into 2 will be 6. So 6 power 6 is equal to question mark. So friends, 6 power 6 can be written as 216. We know that 6 cube will be 216. So 216 into 216 is equal to question mark. So finally we can say that answer for question number 10 will be 46656, right? So 46656. So finally we got an answer. Check whether the option is 6 power 6 or otherwise 46656. Question number 11. So 15 into 0.40 power 4 division 1080 divide 30. So power 4 into 27 into 8 power 4 is equals to 3 into 2 power x plus 5. So friends, we know that 3 into 2 will be 6, right? So this can be done as 6 power x plus 5. So friends, here it is x in terms of 6 power something. So we need to convert all the left hand side expression in terms of 6, right? So 15 into 4 can be written as 6, right? So 6 power 4. So similarly division. So friends, we can cancel 0 and 0. So finally this can be written as 36, right? So 36 power 4. So into 27 into 8. So 27 into 8 will be 216. So 216 power 4 is equals to 6 power x plus 5. So 6 power 4 division, this can be done as 6 square power 4. So when 6 cube power 4 is equals to 6 power x plus 5. So 6 power 4 division, so 4 into 2 will be 8. 6 power 8 into 6 power 12 is equals to 6 power x plus 5. So finally this can be done as 6 power 4 minus 8 plus 12 is equals to 6 power x plus 5, because it is a power m division a power n, right? So a power m minus n, that is 4 minus 8 plus 12. So friends, 12 plus 4 will be 16. So 16 minus 8, finally this can be done as 6 power 8 is equal to 6 power x plus 5. So finally we can cancel 6 and 6. So 8 is equal to x plus 5. So x is equal to 8 minus 5. So finally we can say that answer for question number 11, that is x is equal to 3. Question number 12. So 28 power 4.9 into 7 power 0.1 into 2 power 0.2. So division 7 power minus 2.5 into 2 power minus 5 is equal to 28 power question mark. So friends, here question mark in terms of 28 power something, right? So we need to convert all the left hand side expression in terms of 28. So friends, here it is 28 power 4.9. So we don't want to disturb this number. Keep the number as it is. 28 power 4.9. So friends, but here it is 7 power 0.1. So I think we know that 7 into 4 will be 28. So only thing is that we need to convert this 2 in terms of 4, right? So that when we can easily multiply 7 into 4 as 28. So friends, our only target is to convert this 2 in terms of 4, right? Listen here friends, 7 in power 0.1. So this can be written as 2 square power 0.1. So friends, 2 into 0.1 will be 0.2, right? So division, so keep the 7 term as it is, that is 7 power minus 2.5. So friends, this can be written as 2 square power minus 2.5 is equals to 28 power question mark, right? So I think this can be written as 28 power 4.9. So I think 7 power 0.1, 2 square will be 4. So 4 power 0.1 division. So 7 power minus 2.5. I think 2 square will be 4. So 4 power minus 2.5 is equals to 28 power question mark. So friends, I think here this looks like a format called, listen here friends, this looks like a format called a power m into b power n, where the powers are same but the base is different, right? So this can be done as a into b power m. So 28 power 4.9, 7 into 4 will be 28 power 0.1. So division, so friends, here it is 7 into 4 will be 28. So power minus 2.5 is equals to 28 question mark. So friends, finally we have converted the complete expression in terms of 28 power something. So this can be written as 28 power 4.9. So plus 0.1. So minus of minus 2.5 is equals to 28 power question mark. So friends, 4.9 plus 0.1 plus 2.5, right? I think resultant will be 7.4. 7.4 plus 0.1 will be 7.5. So this can be done as 28 power 7.5 is equals to 28 power x. So finally we got the answer, that is x is equal to 7.5 for question number 12. So friends, question number 13. So cube root of 7 power 1 by 2 division 343 power minus 1 by 2. So again cube root of 7 power 2 is equal to cube root of 7 power question mark. So friends, I think we know that cube root of 7 can be written as 7 power 1 by 3, right? So already here it is 1 by 2. So division 343 can be written as 7 cube power minus 1 by 2. and cube root of 7 can be written as 7 power 1 by 3 into 2 is equals to, so friends, we need to find cube root of 7 power question mark, right? So this can be written as 7 power 1 by 3 into question mark, right? So friends, when we multiply 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, the resultant will be 1 by 6. So division, and this can be written as 7 power minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 3 into 2 will be 7 power 2 by 3 is equals to, so 7 power x by 3, right? I am just taking question mark as x. So 1 by 3 into x will be x by 3. So finally this can be written as a power m division a power n, right? So 7 power 1 by 6. So minus of minus 3 by 2 will be plus 3 by 2. And here it is plus 2 by 3 is equals to 7 power x by 3. I think we can take an LCM as 6, friends. When we take LCM as 6, 1, so 3 into 3 will be 9, so 3 into 2 will be 6, 2 into 2 will be 4 is equals to 7 power x by 3. So 9 plus 1 will be 10, 10 plus 4 will be 14. So 7 power, I think 9 plus 1 will be 10, 10 plus 4 will be 14. So 14 divided by 6 is equals to 7 power x by 3. So friends, I think we can cancel this on two tables. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 6. So 7 power 7 by 3 is equals to 7 power x by 3. So friends, we can cancel 7 and 7. Similarly, we can cancel 3 and 3. So finally, we got the value that is x is equal to 7. So friends, one of the important question. So finally, we got the answer that is x is equal to 7 for question number 13. Question number 14. So fifth root of 27 power 3 into 81 division 1 divided by 3 power 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power question mark, right? So friends, we need to convert all the expression in terms of 9 power something, right? But we can't able to convert this in terms of 9 power something, friends, because it will be 3 cube, right? So I think let me do one thing, friends. This can be written as 27 fifth root, right? So this can be written as 1 by 5, so power 3 into 81 can be written as 9 square, so division. So I think when we bring this 3 power 1 by 5 to the numerator, that will be 3 power minus 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power x. I think this can be written as 3, listen here friends, 27, so 3 into 1 by 5 will be 3 by 5, so into this can be written as 3 square, the whole square, so 3 power minus 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power x, right? So this 27 can be written as 3 cube, so 3 cube, so power 3 by 5, so into 2 will be 4, that is 3 power 4, division 3 power minus 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power x. So I think this can be written as 3 into 3 will be 9. So 3 power 9 by 5 into 3 power 4 division 3 power minus 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power x. I think this look like a format called a power m into a power n, right? So this can be written as 3 power, I think 9 by 5 plus 4. So 9 by 5 plus 4, I think here it is minus of minus 1 by 5 will be plus 1 by 5. So plus 1 by 5 is equals to 9 power x. So this can be done as, when we take LCM as 5, this will be 9. So 5 into 4 will be 20, and when we take LCM as 5, this will be 1, right? So 9 plus 1 will be 10, that will be 30, right? So 3 power 30 divided by 5 is equals to 9 power x is equal to 9 power x. So when we cancel this can be done as 3 power 6 is equal to 9 power x. So we need to bring the term in terms of 9 power something. So 3 power 6 can be written as 3 square, the whole power 3 is equals to 9 power x, because 3 into 2 will be 6, right? So we can write this 3 square as 9 power 3. So friends, 9 power 3 is equals to 9 power x. So finally we can cancel 9 and 9. So resultant will be x is equal to 3. So friends, finally we got an answer for question number 14, that is x is equal to 3. Question number 15. So 0.2 power 3 by 2 into 0.008. So division 1 divided by root of 0.2 is equal to 0.2 power question mark. So our target to convert all the expression in terms of 0.2 something, right? So I think this can be written as 0.2 power 3 by 2, and similarly 0.008 can be written as 0.2 the whole cube, right? So 0.2 the whole cube, the resultant will be 0.008. So division 1 divided by root of 0.2 can be written as 0.2 power 1 by 2 is equals to 0.2 power question mark, right? So this can be done as 0.2 power 3 by 2 into 0.2 power 3. So I think that we can bring this denominator to the numerator, friends. So this can be done as 0.2 power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0.2 power question mark. So this can be done as 0.2, so 3 by 2, so multiplication, so here it is plus, and 3, here it is division, so I think minus of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0.2 power question mark. So 0.2, 3 divided by 2 plus 3, minus into minus will be plus, so plus 1 by 2 is equals to 0.2 power question mark. I think we can take an LCM as 2, right? So when we take an LCM 2, that is 0.2. So friends, I think when we take LCM as 2, this will be 3, and this will be 6, and this will be 1. So 3 plus 6 plus 1, right? So 3 plus 6 plus 1 divided by, and here it is denominator is 2, right? So is equals to 0.2 power question mark. So 0.2 power question mark. I think 6 plus 3 plus 1 will be 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So 0.2 power 5 is equal to 0.2 power question mark. So finally we can say that answer for question number 15, that is question mark, is equal to 5. Question number 16. So 2401 power 3 by 4 division 1 divided by 343. I think we need to find 7 power something, right? We need to convert all the expression in terms of 7 power something. So I think this can be done as 7 power 4, friends. So 7 power 4. So power 3 divided by 4 division. So 1 divided by 343 can be done as 7 cube, right? So division 49 power 7 by 2. I think this 49 can be done as 7 square, right? So 7 square power 7 by 2 is equals to 7 power question mark. So friends, we can cancel 4 and 4. Similarly, we can cancel 2 and 2. So this can be done as 7 power 3 division. So friends, we can bring this denominator 7 power 3 to the numerator, that will be 7 power minus 3, right? So division 7 power 7 is equals to 7 power question mark. So this can be done as 7 power 3. So minus of minus 3 will be plus 3, and minus of 7, right? So minus of 7 is equal to 7 power question mark. So 3 plus 3 will be 6, right? So 7 power 6 minus 7 is equals to 7 power question mark. So 6 minus 7 will be minus 1. So finally this can be done as 7 power minus 1 is equal to 7 power question mark. So finally we got an answer for question number 16, that is question mark is equal to minus 1. Question number 17. So 7.2 power 3.2 into 1 divided by 7.2 power 1.6. I think here x is in terms of 7.2 something. So we need to convert all the expression into 7.2 something, right? So this can be written as 7.2 power 3.2, and similarly I think we can bring this denominator to the numerator, friends. 7.2 power minus 1.6. So I think 51.84 will be 7.2 square. So here it is minus 1.8. So similarly this can be done as 7.2 square power minus 1.2 is equals to 7.2 power x. So this can be done as 7.2 power 3.2. So 7.2 power minus 1.6. So friends, 1.8 into 2 will be 3.6, right? So this can be done as division of 7.2 minus 3.6. So 7.2 minus 2.4 is equals to 7.2 power x. So finally we have converted all the expression in terms of 7.2. I think we can use this technique here, that is 3.2. So multiplication, so here it is plus, so here it is minus 1.6. So this can be done as 3.2 minus 1.6. So division, right? So minus of minus 3.6 will be plus 3.6, and similarly multiplication, so plus into minus 2.4 will be minus 2.4 is equals to 7.2 power x. So friends, I think 3.2 plus 3.6 will be 6.8, right? So this can be done as 6.8. So minus of 1.6 minus 2.8 will be 4. So is equal to 7.2 power x. I think 6.8 minus 4 will be 2.8. So finally 7 power 2.8 is equals to, sorry, 7.2. 7.2 power 2.8 will be 7.2 power x. I think we can cancel 7.2. So finally we got an answer, that is x is equal to 2.8. That is for question number 17. Question number 18. So when 17 power 8.8 into 289 power minus 1.4 division 1 divided by 17 power minus 1 is equal to 17 into 17 power question mark. So once I think here the question mark in terms of 17 power something, so we need to convert all the expression in terms of 17, right? So this can be done as 17 power 8.8 we know that 289 will be 17 square. So power minus 1.4, I think we can bring this denominator to the numerator, friends. So this can be written as 17 power 1 is equals to 17 power, I think here it is 1 and here it is x, right? So this can be written as 17 power x plus 1. I'm just assuming that question mark is equal to x, right? So finally this can be written as x plus 1, friends. 17 power x plus 1. So 17 power 8.8. So when we multiply this, resultant will be 2.8, right? So 17 power minus 2.8. So division 17 power 1 is equals to 17 power x plus 1. So multiplication and division, that is addition and subtraction, right? So 17 power 8.8. So plus into minus 2.8, the resultant will be minus 2.8. So minus of 1 is equals to 17 power x plus 1. So finally I think this will be 8.8 minus 2.8, the resultant will be 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. So 17 power 5 is equals to 17 power x plus 1. So finally we can say this as, so when we cancel 17 and 17, the resultant will be 5 is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to 5 minus 1. So x is equal to 4. So friends, finally we got an answer, that is x is equal to 4 for question number 18. Question number 19. So 10 power 7.3. So let me keep this 10 power 7.3 as it is, friends. 10 power 7.3. I think 100 can be written as 10 square, right? So 10 square power 4.15. So this can be written as similarly 10 cube power square. So 10 power 5 is equal to question mark into 10 power 5, right? So I think this can be written as 10 power 7.3. Division, I think this will be 8 power 3, right? 8.3. So 10 power 8.3. So into 10 power 3 into 2 will be 6. So plus 10 power 5 is equals to question mark into 10 power 5. So friends, 7.3 minus 8.3, the resultant will be minus 1. So 10 power minus 1 into 10 power 6, here it is plus 10 power 5 is equals to question mark into 10 power 5. So minus 1 plus 6, resultant will be 10 power 5, right? So 10 power 5 plus 10 power 5 is equals to question mark into 10 power 5. So I think 10 power 5 into 10 power 5, I think 10 power 5 plus 10 power 5 will be 2 10 power 5, right? So 2 into 10 power 5 is equal to question mark into 10 power 5. So we can cancel 10 power 5, 10 power 5. So finally we can say that question mark is equal to 2. So friends, finally we got an answer for question number 19, that is question mark is equal to 2. So friends, we need to be careful that here it is plus, right, which is most important. Where most of the students will make a mistake here, they used to write this as 10 power 10. That is exactly wrong, right? So 10 power 5 plus 10 power 5, the resultant will be 2 into 10 power 5. Question number 20. So 243 power n by 5 into 3 power 2n plus 1 divided by 9 power n into 3 power n minus 1. So friends, I think 243, right? We know that 3 power 4 will be 81. So 3 power 5 will be 243, friends. This can be done as 3 power 5. 3 power 5 will be 243. So power n by 5. So into 3 power 2n plus 1 divided by, and 9 power n can be written as 3 square, friends. So 3 square will be 9. So finally this can be written as 3 power 2n into 3 power n minus 1 is equal to question mark. So I think we can cancel 5 and 5. So this can be written as 3 power n. So 3 power n into 3 power 2n plus 1 divided by, similarly here it is 3 power 2n into 3 power n minus 1 is equal to question mark. I think a power m and a power n, friends, that is a power m plus n, right? So this can be written as 3 power, so here it is n, so n plus 2n plus 1 divided by 3 power, similarly here it is a power m into a power n. So 2 power 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to question mark. I think 2n plus n will 3n plus 2n will be 3n plus 1 divided by 3 power, similarly here it is 2n plus n will be 3n minus 1 is equal to question mark. So friends, I think this looks like a format called a power m divided by a power n. It will be a power m minus n, right? So 3 power 3n plus 1 minus of 3n minus 1 is equals to question mark, right? So I think this can be written as, so 3 power 3n plus 1, so minus 3n plus 1. So minus 3n plus 1 is equal to question mark. So when we cancel 3n and minus 3n, the resultant will be 3 power 1 plus 1. So this can be written as 3 square is equal to question mark. So finally we can say that answer for last question, that is question mark, is equal to 9. So friends, finally we have solved 20 different questions on the topic surds and indices. I hope that you have really enjoyed it. So friends, don't forget to share this video to all your friends so that your friends can also learn this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.